Here are 3 amazing facts about Pakistan and Brazil you should know. Number 1. Diverse landscapes. In Pakistan, you can find the towering peaks of Karakoram Range, the serene beaches of Karachi, and the vast deserts of Thar. Brazil has the lush Amazon rainforest, the stunning Pantanal wetlands, and beautiful coastal areas. Number 2. Rich cultural heritage. In Pakistan, festivals like Eid fill the streets with joy and color. And in Brazil, Carnival is the biggest party of the year. Number 3. Love for sports. Pakistan loves cricket. Cricket is more than just a game. And in Brazil, football is life. From stunning landscapes to rich culture, Pakistan and Brazil are full of amazing facts. Which facts surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments and follow me for more amazing stories from Pakistan and Brazil. Bye.